Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the door latch switch in your dishwasher, be sure to turn off the power to the appliance. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread all of the screws, securing the console to the inner door panel. We recommend placing a towel over the top edge of the outer door panel to protect the wires. Now unthread the door latch mounting screws. Disconnect the latch switch wires. Release the two retaining tabs to remove the old switch. Install the new latch switch by snapping it into place on the latch. Connect the wire connectors to the new switch. Reposition the door latch on the console and secure it with the mounting screws. Now reposition the console on the inner and outer door panels. Thread and tighten all of the screws. With the repair completed, turn the power supply back on, and your dishwasher should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.